how to use the built-in screen recording feature on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So let's get started. First, open the app, window, or program that you want to record. Now, press Windows plus G on your keyboard to open the Xbox game bar. Once it opens, look for the capture widget. If you don't see it, click the capture icon from the Xbox game bar toolbar. Now click the record button to start recording your screen. You can also press Windows plus Alt plus R on your keyboard to start recording directly. If you want to record your microphone, click the microphone icon in the recording widget to turn it on or off. While recording, you'll see a small recording widget showing the recording time. When you're finished recording, click the stop button in the recording widget. You can also press Windows plus Alt plus R again to stop the recording. Once the recording is finished, Windows will automatically save the video. To find your recording, open File Explorer, go to Videos, then open the Captures folder. Here, you'll find your recorded screen videos which you can watch, edit, or share. And that's it.